Run as administrator. Right-click the game exe, click Run as administrator. Disable full-screen optimizations. Right-click exe properties, compatibility, check. Disable full-screen optimizations. Number 2, fix black screen on startup. Force windowed mode. Add launch options, Steam Epic. You can see the code in our conversation history. Update GPU drivers, download latest drivers, NVIDIA, GeForce Experience, AMD, Radeon software. Outdated drivers are the #1 cause of black screen. And number 3, fix startup crash. Verify game files. If using Steam, library, right-click game, properties, installed files, verify integrity. If using Epic, library, 3 dots, verify. Install, repair, Visual C++ and DirectX. Install, Microsoft Visual C++ 2050-2022, DirectX end user runtime. Missing runtimes cause instant crashes. Number 4, disable overlays, common crash cause. Turn off Discord overlay, NVIDIA overlay, Xbox Game Bar, MSI Afterburner, Rivatuner overlays often conflict with new game releases. Number 5, clear shader cache, very effective. NVIDIA, disk cleanup, select drive, check DirectX shader cache. AMD, Radeon settings, reset shader cache, restart PC after clearing. Number 6, fix crashing after intro during gameplay. Lower these settings first. Ray tracing off, shadows medium low, texture quality medium, volumetrics low. High VRAM usage causes crash loops. Number 7, reinstall anti-cheat if game uses 1. Go to game folder, find anti-cheat setup, run repairs, reinstall. Number 8, clean boot if nothing works. 1, WinR, type, you can see the code in our conversation history. 2, services, hide Microsoft services. 3, disable remaining services. 4, restart PC. Final emergency fix, reinstall GPU driver, clean install option, install game on SSD, update Windows fully. If you tell me Steam or Epic, Windows 10 or 11, GPU model, when exactly it crashes, I'll give you a precise targeted fix for your system.